let it go, let it go, let it go. I like that, y'all. I like that, y'all. I like that.
Hello, crypto friends. How we doing out there? Just wanted to check in real quick to give you an alert that we are starting to hit our, excuse me, our exits targets. As you can see here on MKR USD, we did get up to just past the 0.886 retracement on the fib, starting to get some pullback on there now. So this is not financial advice, of course, but if you're learning to trade using these Fibonacci retracements, we are hitting those zones. So that is MKR USD. Looking at some of the other ones that went red to green today, Comp USD. Once again, we made it past all these, all this conglomeration of excuse me, moving averages. So we're going to, we being me, I'm gonna take some profits. Moving on to Ethereum, ETH USD. We blew right through our target zone. Starting to see some profit taking on each candle. This is on the 1 hour time frame. So we will be taking profit here on this particular trade as well. As we made it, you see the resistance that we had set for 10 o'clock this morning. Made it all the way through. So we're coming up now to retest this move up here, which we did encounter previous resistance there at 1615.08. And moving on, AAVE. We didn't make it through yet. We're still trying to push through, so that could be a laggard. We'll keep an eye out on AAVE. Trying to work our way through this these previous resistance levels up here and scouting up here at the 100-day moving average. Let's have a look at Litecoin, just going red to green for today. Trying to get up above this 100-day moving average. We still have a resistance level that we set this morning that we'll be watching. Let's quickly look at a few more to see how we're making out here. Okay, not much movement there, not much movement there. Uni, USD. You've seen we've had a couple of times we've hit this target up here. We are still hanging on to this trend that we set previously. So that one's still looking pretty strong. We may leave that one on the table for now. Just keeping our stops pretty tight, just below the previous support levels as we climb up, which right now would be the 27, roughly 28. If we lose the 28, we'll probably take off the trade. Moving on, let's see, IOTA did manage to pop up above this trend line that we had set. We can massage that just a little bit to see we're getting resistance there. Trying to get above that 26-day moving average still. Moving on to Link, USD, LINK, USD. Sorry about that, missed it. Looks like we did top out with Link. Excuse me. At the 27.94 mark, so look for that. We're going to retest that now. Coming up within the, we're on the 1 hour time frame. Within this hour, it's around noon here, Central Time in the States. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's kind of sideways trading, like we talked about this morning. Trying to get above this 26 moving day average. And then we'll have the 100-day to deal with. For BTC, still watching that one. XLM, These could all be laggards, so we want to see if they can follow the other guys that we pointed out, DOT, NU, BAT. BAT looking pretty weak down here, so we'll be watching that closely. ADA did manage to get up to our target. As you see, bounced right, rejected off the 100-day moving average, sent us back down to look for support. So we'll readjust that one before tomorrow. And just a quick reminder again, let's look through the winners so far today. Audio. Hope you didn't get up in here. As you can see, pure profit taken all the way down. As this one skyrocketed this morning when we were broadcasting. MKR USD. So starting to pull back. We did hit our sales target. So we're going to regroup, and we will basically look at that again in the morning for you. And we'll reset our fibs once we find our top up here for our retracement. Comp USD, another winner as we got up here, and looks like we're starting to, the volume is really heavy coming in on the way up there, starting to get in the overbought areas. So the RSI. Ethereum, nice run on Ethereum here. So that particular one would be roughly, if you got out up in here, 6%, 5.5. Not too shabby. Dogecoin's trying to move, still trying to get above that. We did get above the previous resistance, so we'll set a new one for you. Got to get above the 0.05141. Then looking up to the 0.0529 up in here. Excuse me. AAVE one more time, trying to break above this resistance that we had previously marked, and we did encounter some rejections here on these price levels. So we'll leave that one alone. Looks like we're still trying to get above that 100-day, and then Litecoin went red to green, trying to get above that 100-day moving average, but we just didn't have the volume come in on that particular one. That's pretty much it for me. I just wanted to give you an update as we started to hit these price sell targets on some trades that we've been running for a while. That's all for now, and we will see you soon. Have a great day.